Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing very well. So first of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I have not done any proper video where I wished you guys happy new year. So yeah, very happy new year to all of you. May you stay healthy. May you are safe from the virus. May you fulfill all your wishes you want to fulfill in this year. So yeah, wish you all the luck and happiness. So today I'm going to do this video where I will show you some winter outfits that I got this year from Myntra and Flipkart. I'm sorry if my voice appears a little bit low. That is because I'm kind of sick. So yes, that is what it is. Now let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to talk about the sweater I'm wearing. It's a very beautiful sweater with beautiful sleeves. It's in the beige color. I got this from Myntra Your Sale that was happening on last week of December. It is from the brand Roadster. It's very beautiful sweater, but it's not like a very thick material. It's a thin material, so you need to like layer it up with other warm clothes. If you stay in areas like Kolkata where the cold is lighter compared to that of Delhi and other Punjab side, so you can wear this like easily without layering up with it with any warm cloth. But for people who live around the Delhi sides and more colder areas, you need to layer it up with more warm clothes. So yes, this is what I got. It was retail for rupees 49.9. It was MRP, and I got this for rupees 599 only during the sale. So you have probably seen me wearing this in my previous video where I went to coffee house. If you haven't seen that vlog, I will put that in the descriptions. So the next product I'm going to talk about is this white t-shirt. It's a three-quarter sleeve t-shirt. I got this from Roadster again. It's like plain basic t-shirt with like pink sleeves. I got this to wear like in my house, so I don't have any full sleeve t-shirt. All I wear is half sleeve t-shirts, so I wanted one, and this is what it is. It's from the brand Roadster. The MRP here it is written 699, but I got this for like 299 or something like that. I will put the price in the description. I will put the sale prices in the description, so if you want to check, you can check it out, and also the link will be in the description, so if you want to buy, you can check them out. So it's a very like it's kind of transparent, so I cannot wear it outside. I have to wear it inside. So yeah, this is my second product. Now coming to my third product, which I got from Myntra. So the third product I got from Myntra is this H&M is this black hoodie which I got from like H&M. It's very warm and cozy. It is like not very thin material, it's kind of a thick material. So yes, it is very good. I got this in the size XL. It is very loose to me. I wanted to buy a baggy hoodie, but this is a super baggy hoodie for me. So it would have been better if I would bought it in size L, but never mind, I have already bought this. So you have probably seen in the video where I showed different type of winter outfits. So yes, so I got this for like 12.99, which is the MRP of this. I didn't bought it in the sale, so I bought this in the beginning of winter. I think in the beginning of November or something like that. So yes, this is from H&M. Now coming to the fourth product that I bought from Myntra, and the last product from Myntra is this very cute fluffy white fox fur sweater. I got this from the brand Athena. Yes, it's from Athena. So Athena has such cute sweaters. I have seen it was available in maroon and other colors as well. White is so like bear polar bear kind of effect, and I got this in the size L. So yeah, it is kind of a little bit of loose, but I think L is good for me, so that I can layer it up with other warm clothes inside if it's super cold or something like that. So yes, this is such a good product. So I bought this in the sale as well. It is retailed for MRP is for 17.99, but I think I got for 1099. So yeah, I think you will check please check the price in the description. That was all I bought from Myntra. Now let's talk about the product that I got from Flipkart. So first of all, I'm going to show you a shoe that I got from Flipkart. So this is the shoe that I bought from Flipkart. It is this brand, I forgot the name of the brand, Zapatos or something like that, has such good sneakers like this, and I really liked the design of this sneaker. It's a perfect white sneaker, and also the rates are so low, you can get very easily like a lot of sneakers from them. So yeah, this is what I got for like my first purchase from Flipkart, and it was retail for like 699 or 799. I will put the price in the description so you guys can check it out. So I really like this shoe. I know it is not like a winter product, but I wanted to show you guys. Next comes the product that I got from Flipkart is this pajama set which I got. So I had like separate pajamas and separate t-shirts, but not like a set. So this was my first pajama set which I got. Such a cute pajama set which comes with a pocket. It's from the brand Dream Bee, and the retail price is 1649. I think I got this for like 700 or 800 or something like that. I will put the price in the description. Such a cute pajama set. Pajama sets are appropriate for winters. You can wear them at home, and also you can sleep on them. So yeah, these are very comfy and cute outfits to wear in winters. And this comes with a pajama like this, and it has cute strings. So yes, I really liked it. Also the print is so good. It's like, and the quality of this cloth is super soft. It won't give you any irritations while wearing. Wear it for daily purpose or if you sleep. So it was the second product from Flipkart. Now let's talk about the third and the last product from this haul. Is this short capri kind of thing. So I have this color gray, and I really like wearing it. It's so comfortable to wear it, and also the elastic around your waist cinches your waist, so it's really good. It has this cinching material under your knee as well, so there's no chance of wind getting inside, and it has like a string to so that you can tie it or make it loose. And also it comes with pockets like this with chain, so if you go to gym or workout like that, so you don't have to worry about your phone. You can keep your phone and lock the chain, and you can easily do your exercise. So it's such a good material as well. So yes, this is from the brand Gold Streams, and I got this for, I forgot the price. I will put the price in the description. So yeah, that's it for this wintry haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today I cannot speak much because I'm kind of sick. So yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye, take care.